Alright everybody, Ray here, Pontiac Lemans Garage. Today we're going to be doing a back window install on the old Lemans. This is my camera girl, my daughter Kayla. Say hi, Kayla.
Hi.
This is my son Logan. He's the one that drew the famous Punisher skull on the hood. What's up, Logan? We got our 3M urethane window stuff. I think that's the proper term. We're going to try to put it here on this. If I can actually put a nice bead on here. I just want to say on film that I am not a professional window installer, obviously. This is harder than it looks, kids. Well, maybe I'm getting this down. I had M&M Audio out of Joplin, Missouri, tint my back window. It's legal, don't worry, law enforcement. Maybe I should have let one of you guys do this and me hold the camera. Alright now Logan, you're going to have to try to do this without getting this crap all over you. Alright, drive it. Set it down against the little rubber stops. Right there. Let's come down. And we can reposition it if we need to.
Yeah, what do I do with my hand?
Let go. Make sure the rubber stops are in place.
Oh shoot, hold on.
Oh man, you're fired. There we go. Squish it in there until we see that crap squishing out everywhere. First batch me and Justin got from O'Reilly was hard as a rock and it didn't work right. You got it on you? You can just go wash it off with soap and water.
Should do that as soon as possible.
Alright, so now we just sit there and let that cure, I don't know, probably all night. And we'll get the trim and stuff put back on tomorrow and it'll almost be a complete car again. So I'll make another video tomorrow on that. Hopefully it turns out good. Alright, so the window stuff was all set up, the urethane. The paint was dry on the trim, and I decided to go ahead and put the trim on. Got a little dust on it. Man, that looks good. Now I got to get the rest of them tinted. If anybody's curious, this is what I painted it with. This metallic black stainless. I really like it actually. Just contrasts the matte black on the car real well. That's what I got on the front grills too. So I like the way it looks. I'm probably gonna pull this stainless piece back off right here and do it. Probably the wiper arms. I don't know though. Might not. Who knows? But that's the back window done for now. And just one more thing X'd off the list. Let's see. Yeah.